If you want to master your Cricut, you need to ditch the fear, my friend. Hey Cricut buddy, Jav here from Cut and Make Crafts, and in the next couple of days, I'm gonna help you in mastering your Cricut. But before we get started, I want you to watch and listen to this video very carefully. So I know you just got your Cricut and you're really excited, but at the same time, you have this huge fear. You feel scared and intimidated by this cute and shiny new robot friend you just got. And I want to let you know that it's completely okay. This is normal. It's normal to feel intimidated by it, and you might feel like you can't use it or you're not smart enough to use it. And I want you to know that it's completely okay. And I felt the same when I bought this magical machine. My machine sat there for like months before I took it out. But you know what's not okay? To let your fear win. You need to take charge, ditch the fear, power up that machine, and get started with crafting. Hey Lemon, say hi! Here's my cute little buddy, Lemon. Lemon, say hi! And she'll be joining us for the rest of the video. So yes, you might fail for the first time. Your project might not turn out perfect. Your vinyl may not stick, or you might end up getting a paper which is completely torn and the cuts might not come out neat. But that is okay. It shouldn't stop you from crafting and experiencing all the amazing stuff that your machine can do. Think about babies. Can you imagine the number of times they trip and stumble when they start walking? They fall, sometimes they even hurt themselves, but does that stop them from walking? Hell no! Or think about a baby bird, like this one on top of my head. Yes, Lemon, we're talking about you. So when birds are learning to fly, can you imagine how many times they have to go through that training? Like when we got this bird, it took like at least a week to fly properly. It used to fly and hit the wall all the time. But that didn't stop this cheeky bird from learning how to fly. If the birds gave up, or if the babies gave up, would they ever learn to fly? Of course not. I want you to approach your Cricut with the same enthusiasm as that of a baby learning to walk. Don't worry about the failure, ditch the fear, and jump right into your crafting. Trust me, once you master this machine, it will bring you so much joy, both in terms of fun and finance. So don't be scared. Take charge, show the sphere you're in charge, and you're gonna master your Cricut like a total boss. Alright, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in lesson number 1 of Beginner's Cricut course. Bye bye. Say bye, Lemon.